Dear friends, hi, this is Nick Poreshkin, broker with Vera Realty. Today we're going to review the month of January in terms of sales, inventory, and main metrics. So watch until the end, because at the end I'm going to talk about the real insights which I see in our brokerage and if they relate completely to the MLS numbers. So without further ado, let's take a look at January. Market is changing, volatile, and we keep a precise eye on what's going on with the statistics. So month of January, let's go. So in Miami-Dade, in terms of sales for single family homes, we have a drop in 40% from 1,000 in January of 2022 to 593 sales for single family homes. For townhomes, we had a drop in 50% from 1,600 apartments and townhomes in January of 2022 to 800 homes in January of this year, 2023. In both aspects, in single-family homes and in townhomes and apartments, month of inventory increased to 4 months. For single-family homes, it was about 2 months worth of inventory a year ago, and for condominiums and townhomes was 3 months. Another important metric is that the prices are not going down. The median price went up by 5%. A year ago it was $520,000. Today it was $545,000, meaning that this number is very, very close to inflation. Inflation was higher last year, but the real estate prices went up by approximately 5% for single-family homes. On the other hand, for townhomes and condominiums went up by 11%, from $360,000 median price all the way to $400,000. Another very important metric is the size of transactions. They went down by 42%, and we really feel it, from $1 billion single-family homes in Miami-Dade to almost $600 million. Negotiation was good. Now we can negotiate up to 5% from the listing price for single-family homes. Same with the townhomes and condominiums. Active inventory went up by 67% for single-family homes and by only 15% for townhomes and condominiums. So what I see in Miami-Dade that we have more inventory in single-family homes. Definitely the price went up by 5% on average for single-family homes. For condominiums, inventory went up only by 15%, average price went up by 11%. And of course, less transactions because of the new interest rates, clients, buyers still adjusting to this new reality. Let's take a look at Broward County. In Broward County, we also see less transactions in single-family homes, went down by 40%. Median sale price went up by 8%. This is right there where inflation is. Then median time to contract went up twice, from 18 days to 40 days. Active inventory went up by 110%. This is a big number. But month of inventory went up to 3 months, which is still very low. So we all good here. And if we look at townhomes and condominiums, active month of supply went up by 93% to 3 months. And again, 3 months is a normal metric. In before pandemic, 3 years ago, 6 months was normal. So we still see people coming into Florida buying properties, especially South Florida, and that's why prices are not dropping. Actually, prices they're going up with inflation. They're not going up above inflation rate. They stay at about the same rate as an inflation for single-family homes. Interesting fact that for townhomes and condominiums in both Miami-Dade and Broward County, we see that median sale price went up by 11 to 12%. And if you will look at Palm Beach, same story, that median price went up by almost 13% for townhomes and condominiums. For single-family homes, the price went up, median price went up by 8%, and in Palm Beach went up by 10.6%. Let's take a look in Palm Beach County as well. So we see drop in single-family home sales by 33%. We see the drop in townhomes and condominiums by 38%. median price for single-family homes went up by 10.6%, almost 11%, higher than inflation. But the inventory rose by 143%, from 1,700 homes to 4,200 homes. That's a big number. More inventory, less transactions. Buyer's market is right here. You have something to choose from. You have more inventory, there is less competition, less offers on the same house, and you can negotiate based on the statistics up to 7% now in Palm Beach County for single-family homes, and for condominiums up to 6%. So all these metrics stating that we have less sales, inventory going up on average by somewhere 50%, somewhere 150%, and for example, Palm Beach County. The insights now for those who watch until the end, I see the same numbers in our brokerage firm because we work in the same areas in Miami-Dade, Palm Beach County, Broward County. We have a drop in transactions by about 40% from the year ago. And but what we see increase in activity from investors, people who feel that it's good time to buy, and if you have cash available in your bank, you can actually negotiate even higher than 5%. You can negotiate up to 15% from the listing price and get a very good deal, especially if it's a fixer-upper property. So right now is a good time because Federal Reserve planning to still increase a little bit the interest rate, but after that I assume that it will be a drop. So month of February will be very important to us, and we will do another review for the month of February very soon, where we will see how the adjustment in interest rate and the news that the inflation stopped growing and the interest rate will stop growing again and might be going down in the future will affect the sales and the inventories of real estate in South Florida. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Make sure you follow us and watch the real estate news because market is very active, vivid, and alive, and you need to stay tuned to it if you're in the market to buy. This was Nick Polishkin, broker with Vera Realty. Until next time.